The Food Service Exchange presents.
While we are in an era where takeout, curbside pickup, and delivery are how restaurants remain open, adding new equipment for menu enhancement is more important than ever. These factors often require moving the process of cooking closer to the takeout area and adding new appliances, especially ones that do not take up a lot of space yet are versatile enough to create many food items. Equipex has small footprint equipment for large capacity and high quality cooking to provide customers with many options while keeping their costs down and their food hygienic, hot or cold, and accessible. How about a cooking station without requiring a gas line, high-powered electrical service, or a vented hood? Equipex has a solution for that. Moving or adding an appliance often creates a ventilation issue. Equipex small appliance ventless hoods will allow the user to move the cooking closer to the pickup area if ventilation is needed. It is 120 volts and can be used anywhere there is an outlet. There is no need to activate an entire kitchen for takeout menus. With its triple filter system, the SA vent will take care of grease-laden vapors, smoke, and odor. Induction is a perfect way to make your kitchen energy efficient and hygienic. It allows for quick heating and precision temperature with capacitive touch controls. Keeping a large stock pot full of soup hot, finishing pasta or stir-fry, or melting chocolate sauce for a signature dessert, all these varied modes of cooking can be accomplished with induction and keep the food hot and ready for customers to take with them. The concept is portable and can be placed closer to the pickup area or even placed on a cart for mobility. What distinguishes Equipex induction from the crowd? Our BioLine models come equipped with an 11-inch coil, while standard industry coils are only 6.5 to 8 inches wide. This larger coil eliminates the silo heating effect when used with large stock pots or sauté pans and maximizes the advantage of induction cooking. All Equipex induction coils feature air spacing and 2 fans to supercool the internal area of the induction cooker or warmer, permitting efficient all-day use. They also come equipped with many safety features, including empty pan protection and small article protection, to name just a few. The BioLine models offer precise temperature controls by either power output, power level, or temperature. They can be set as low as 86 degrees for melting chocolate or as high as 3600 watts for an extremely quick water boil. Pans make a difference, and BioLine models can test pan conductivity. Poor quality induction pans will limit the effectiveness of induction technology. For the best results, a 3, 5, or 7-ply pan is recommended.
Today, let's talk about induction capabilities for melting chocolate. Let's start by putting a pot with chocolate on an induction cooking zone. Induction technology allows for a consistent low temperature, perfect for melting chocolate. No stirring or double boiler needed. With melt setting, the chocolate will remain soft, smooth, and ready to be used. Turn the temperature down to the lowest setting to keep melted chocolate warm and enjoy it with your favorite fruit, as we're about to do here today.
All styles of cuisine can be cooked on our 3 powerful and aesthetically pleasing wok models, BioLine, GeoLine, and Drop-In. The stainless steel frame protects the glass, and the 11-inch coil allows for extremely fast cooking. If you'd like to see the process for yourself, check out our wok cooking videos on YouTube. Induction griddles offer unique features as compared to traditional griddles: quick preheat time, accurate temperature control, and ease of cleaning. The single, double, and drop-in models preheat in just 4 minutes to a required temperature. It can be accurately set to within a 4-degree fluctuation, while a traditional griddle's temperature fluctuates up to 50 degrees. And when the griddle needs to be cleaned, you can eliminate your heavy grill stone. All that is needed are some ice cubes and a scraper. When a customer needs to change a decorative space to a warming buffet area, the Equipex under-counter induction system is an ideal solution. Our understone warmers are unique in the industry for several reasons. The system can be placed under natural or engineered stone, glass, concrete, and even wood. The chafer needs only to be placed in an approximate location in order to reach safe warming temperatures. The silicone Inductmate keeps the countertop cooler for cleanup and protects the surface from scratching. Sandwich making remains a multi-billion-dollar industry, growing annually, and is ideal for an easy takeout option. The operator is able to cook a vast array of foods, from meat and vegetables to tortillas and burritos, on Equipex's extensive Panini grill line. The cast iron Panini grills are available in multiple sizes and voltages and can be set up with smooth or grooved surfaces. They allow for even heat distribution across the plate surface to ensure all the foods are cooked at the same time. The enameled cast iron premium series allows for easier cleaning and a faster preheat time. These models feature an electronic timer and a selector switch to activate the bottom plate only, making it into a griddle. This feature creates 2 appliances in one. The Vitroceramic infrared series is the easiest surface to clean. It also gives you the fastest preheat time at only 3 minutes. The removable collar reduces toasting time further, trapping heat around the product. Equipex offers 3 different series of Panini grills: premium enameled cast iron, Vitroceramic infrared, and original cast iron. With smooth and grooved plates, different sizes, and multiple voltage options, these Panini grills allow the flexibility to create a vast array of foods, from meats and vegetables to burritos and panini sandwiches. All grills feature even heat distribution across the cooking surface to make multiple sandwiches at the same time. Incorporating international foods into your menu can be a great way to attract new customers. Crepes are one of the easiest ways to also add demonstration cooking into your food service operations. Preferably located out front near the customer, crepe making provides both action and a pleasing aroma. Since crepes are made to order, they contain the ingredients the customers want, whether for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert. Equipex crepe makers are available in a variety of sizes and voltages to satisfy every requirement, as seen on the slide here. Waffle baking is also an effective food sales tool when located in front of the customer, generating a pleasant aroma and action station. Equipex waffle bakers, available in single or double units, are constructed of heavy-duty cast iron, not light-duty aluminum that can pit, rust, and routinely fail. No clips or turning are needed, so that less labor is required. Cleaning is simple by using a stiff wire brush, which is included with the waffle baker. A removable overspill batter tray protects the waffle baker itself and makes cleanup even easier. From rethermalizing appetizers to finishing an entree or dessert, the small footprint convection ovens are one of the most versatile tools in a kitchen. Quarter size, half size, and full size ovens are available, all with 4 shelf capacity and optional infrared elements for finishing. The quarter size and half size ovens are also available in 120 volt and can be plugged in anywhere. No one would be surprised to hear that pizza is the #1 takeout and delivery food in the United States, and it is now more true than ever before. An operator can bake a pizzeria quality pizza in 3 to 6 minutes in these countertop pizza ovens. Portability is maximized with the single deck 120 volt model. All ovens are stackable for added capacity in a small space. If extra ventilation is needed, a specific SA vent is available for front-loading equipment. The Equipex Quick Cook half-size oven is a unique multifunctional product offering 4 different settings for baking, cooking, and broiling. It is only available in 208/240 volt due to its powerful top and bottom elements, in addition to its rear-mounted convection fan. The 4 settings are detailed here on the slide as well as on our website, equipex.com. From pastries and appetizers to meat and fish, as well as pies and lasagnas, this oven does it all.
We're going to explain how our half-size convection oven Quick Cook works. It has 4 different settings. First setting is for even convection baking on all 4 shelves, thermostatically controlled. The second setting is for cake and pie baking where the bottom cal rod heating elements is at full power and the top broiling elements is thermostatically controlled. The third setting is for cooking and roasting, where bottom and top heating elements are both thermostatically controlled with fan for more robust convection cooking. The last, fourth setting is for broiling while continuing to convect bake on the other three shelves. This oven also features a 120-minute timer or a continuous mode. The thermostat can reach 570 degrees.
From breakfast to dinner, compact griddles and fryers make your meals delicious. Two sizes of griddles are portable and available in 120 volt with many cooking surface options. Traditional cast iron or brushed steel surfaces are familiar to most operators. For easy cleaning possibilities, enameled steel or stainless steel are good choices. For out-front demonstration cooking, the brushed chrome steel surface is aesthetically pleasing. Countertop fryers are compact and let the operator cook fresh, refrigerated, or frozen menu items all day long. Three sizes are available: 10-pound oil capacity in 120 volt, 15-pound and 25-pound oil capacity in 208, 240 volt. The fryers are easy to disassemble and clean, and you can even cover them overnight for extra hygienic purposes. How much noise does the SA vent generate? The SA vent operates at approximately 70 decibels, which is considered the level of conversation in a room. Generally, this level of noise fades into the background of any food service operation. The SA vent utilizes a triple filter system for air purification. A grease filter extracts grease from the air and is washable in the pot sink or ware washer. The particulate filter removes smoke from the air, while the carbon filter deals with odor. The particulate and carbon filters should be replaced every 3 to 6 months, depending on the menu. Equipex ventless hood systems are available in 3 models: Pali, Mistral, and Kona. Pali is used for top-loading products and the only model allowing the Ansel pre-piping. Mistral is best used with front-loading appliances, and Kona is perfect for small products where height is an issue. All products are stainless steel and 120 volt. The SA vents are approved to UL safety and NSF sanitation standards. In addition, they are certified to EPA 202 test method, which is part of NFPA 96. Not all ventless hoods meet this standard. In addition, specific approvals by the New York City Fire Department and the City of Los Angeles Mechanical Testing Laboratory, generally accepted throughout the state of California, have been obtained. The SA vent can be equipped with Ansel chromed plated pre-piping from the factory. When the balance of the Ansel work is performed in the field by others, the system will meet the UL 300 standard. The Equipex ventless hood system utilizes green technology. It filters existing room air and in that way minimizes additional costs of heating or air conditioning the makeup air. Many customers will inquire about the SA vent because of local health or fire department requirements. However, more than 50% of SA vent purchases are discretionary, not mandated, to improve the work environment of food service operations within a building. Furthermore, with the popularity of out-front display cooking, the SA vent solves the ventilation issue when adding cooking in view of the customer. The most popular Pali vent model is available in right-hand and left-hand configurations. When combined together on a back counter, a double module assembly is created to accommodate multiple pieces of equipment in the most compact space. When left-hand and right-hand modules are placed nose-to-nose on a front counter, a see-through and pass-through design is created for demonstration cooking applications. In today's world, now more than ever, food must be kept hot at precise temperatures while waiting for pickup and delivery. Imagine that your delicious and carefully prepared fare is ready, but the customer has not yet arrived. Warming displays can help with that. The full-size glass warming displays range in capacity from 2 to 5 full-size sheet pans. With the choice of either stainless steel or black enamel exterior finish, the warmers feature precision electronic controls and a water pan for humidity. Dual service and operator service are also available. The smaller plexiglass warmers have either 1 or 2 shelves with a water pan for humidity and an optional lighted display. While keeping food hot and protected is important, room temperature holding is also relevant in ambient displays. Keep breakfast foods or amazing desserts not requiring refrigeration displayed in an attractive and safe way. And for the foods requiring a cold environment, the chilled displays are a perfect solution, utilizing eutectic chill plates for up to 4 hours of holding. Will food halls have a place going forward? What is a food hall anyway? According to a leading operator of these venues, a food hall is a place where communities come together to eat, drink, shop, and explore. The concept permits showcasing many different types of foods prepared in view of the customer, but controlled by the operator. In this way, the visual aspects of merchandising are elevated, while the food preparation is maintained in a consistent, safe, and sanitary environment. Today, there is a heightened concern about improving customer experience in cafeteria facilities located in office buildings, healthcare facilities, higher education institutions, even K-12 settings. Will self-service go by the wayside forever? How can facilities create a customer-focused experience encompassing a wide range of food selection, taking advantage of in-house seating, and capturing incremental takeaway and grab-and-go dollars? In reality, this wide-ranging solution is an offshoot of the curbside notion. The food hall template is suitable for all of these applications. It is taking a tried and true concept of station cooking and service and rebranding it into an exciting experience for the consumer. Food halls can be standalone in a building or part of a larger operation to provide delicious food to a varied audience. All Equipex products are assembled and tested to national safety and sanitation standards in Rhode Island. All parts and sub-assemblies originate in France, except for the ventless hoods, which were invented by Equipex and are made in the U.S. All equipment carries a 1-year warranty against manufacturing defects, except a 2-year replacement warranty on all induction equipment. With over 20 years of experience, Equipex proudly offers full engineering and service support for all of its products. For any further details, please contact us via our website, www.equipex.com.